My case, I was hit by a driver for a company that we both worked for, and then I was left at the scene, and then I went back to the store and they tried to basically deny the accident and tried to keep me from medical services. Joe was referred from the lawyer's office that I hired at the beginning to represent my case. You're gonna have a million questions. Like, you think you wouldn't because you're going for a specific reason, but you will. You will have a ton of questions, but they will answer every single one of them, and confidently. You know, he really does become one of your extended family, you know, and it's all of them, the whole team, not just Joe, Stephanie and Ryan and everybody else, even Brooke that I worked with for a little bit, Mrs. Iverson, Dr. Iverson, all of them, all together end up really making you feel like you have a family behind you and not just someone that you're paying. And that's important as a person, especially when the reason why you could be doing the lawsuit like I did was because it took my life away. I never had pain. I was a very active person. I felt indestructible. Whatever I wanted to do, whatever I wanted to experience, I would, because I was optimistic and, you know, I was a very outgoing person. And this has not only completely changed my life and what I do, but it's changed who I am. I felt like that was a new way to deal with my new life, and what happened to me, I felt was not achievable. And then when he came in, and his whole team just kind of obliterated every ounce of doubt I had and made me realize that, you know, I'm not going to get the life I had back, but they were willing to fight so hard for me, more than I felt like for myself that I was fighting for, to give me another life. And they did that. If you need a personal injury attorney, he is your go-to guy.